Oink oink. I'm Peppa Pig. Where are you? I'm looking for you. I see one sneaky snitch in there. Hi! Wow, that's why. Okay, you two are lucky. Yeah. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your 20 seconds. I'll keep an eye on you. I guess I'll place bear traps. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother, George. Oh my fellas. Oh my fellas. All of my fellas. Where are you guys? All my fellas. Hi, Cassie. Brazil. Hi. Where do you wanna jump? Is she doing a jump? Bro's gonna play for okay, seriously. It seems like she's the only one left. Unless if I wait, I got Shay Shay. Game over. GG. Oh no, it's her. It's Cassie. Miss her. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's find a way to get in. Okay, pretty sure we need a key. She's Peppa Pig. Piggy woke up to a disappointment. Why not me? Why not me? Why not me? Oh no, it's Granny! Oh shoot, there's nowhere I can go. Hi, want to play? Let's go play! Let's go play, bro. I'm on games. Can pig fall though? Let's play a game. It's called Tag You're It. Pretty sure you can't get me through these stairs. Bye. Now where is he? Unless if I hit a dead end, I am certainly doomed. Where is he? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I don't wanna go back in there. Granny, come up here. Your chopped liver's here. Pretty sure you want to get me. Or if you don't, then I don't care. Because I'm grabbing that opportunity for as long as I can. Okay, I hit a dead end. Yeah, I'm on land. I'm on land. Where's Granny? This is getting creepy. This is getting grim.
Ang bugalawin niya. Ginagawa niya. Hindi ginagalaw niya.
Ajay,
Di pa nagagawa yung pamilya ko.
Oh no, someone placed bear traps. Wait, you're dead?
Actually.
Wow. Is Granny still in the...
Spectate ko siya. Nasa labas siya. Siya kay Pedro Daos. Pedro Daos ba?
Pedro
Daliga.
Pablo. Pablo. How?
Ooh.
I wanna commit.
Bro, look.
I wanna jump off the building. Ah!
Don't jump off. You're gonna die.
That's not
Kaya-
possible.
kaya ako
That's not even possible, bro. There's a force field. And now
Kaya nga
great.
ako namatay dahil nagpahulog ako eh.
Just great. She's there. She's there, bro. She's
Let's
there.
go upstairs.
Yeah, I'm gonna play her. I'm gonna
And
play
go
her.
down.
Bro, she...
Go down.
Ah, no!
Go down
No.
immediately.
No.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Now go down.
I can use these boxes to play with her.
You are playing.
No.
Go juke him.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing. I have one problem. It's Granny. It's the pig that's purple. Am I the only survivor left? Nah, bro. Nah. How can I escape this place? This place is... Okay. I'm so close to her. And yet she didn't get me.
Go outside. Go outside.
Nah, I don't know where the door is. I don't
Ayun,
know.
nilagpas mo lang. Ito ka bukas.
Oh no, Granny's up there. And great.
Go, go, go.
Oh, I still juked her. I'm so lucky.
Oh, that's just a bot.
Yeah, I know. I'm clashing with 2 bots now. Oh shoot.
Bro, there's no 2 bots. There's just a 1 bot.
I mean, yeah, there's 1 bot and 1 player, and I'm so
Go
unfortunate.
downstairs. Oh shit.
Bye. Where do you want?
My sister going upstairs. He's literally.
I know, she's camping. She's gonna camp there a while. Okay, my target is just to survive this game. I don't have any plans since I'm the only survivor here. I don't have much to do anymore.
The bot has skill issue.
Yeah, the bot clearly has.
Go there, down. Down there with the cardboard.
I will try because I'm trying to get the 2 here. So
You're literally nearby.
I'm getting the 2.
What tube? Tube?
Yeah. Okay, and
Okay, my sister's not there anymore. Go
she's
down.
not in the stairs.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you later, noob. Okay, never mind. You scammer.
Bro.
At least I juked her
It's
anyway.
AFK.
Yeah, she is.
Go there, there.
What is she doing?
Bro, there.
Finally, somewhere outside. Help me! I need grass. Wait,
The grass is below
help
the...
me, bro. Help me.
Yung grass. Jan.
What are you gonna do, girl?
Bro, the grass is literally there.
Where?
Just find the grass there. In the open door.
Only once.
Bro! The granny is after you.
I know, bro. I'm trying to figure out where.
Then find it.
Wait, it's in the office. It's in the office. I know this. Wait. There's some stuff usually in the office.
There's a
Blue
bullet.
card.
Bro, the blue card is used.
Are you sure, bro?
Yeah! Nilagpasan lang natin yun eh. But you always don't believe in me.
Shush. I can't even hear the... I can't even... Oh no, Piggy's there. Piggy. Saan ka dadaan?
He can't see you, he can't see you.
I can't switch it for the yellow key. Is it used as well?
Ate, puntahan mo nga yellow door. Yung may door na yellow.
What do you mean? Why are you asking your sister for help? She's literally Piggy. She's literally the Piggy. She's literally...
He's in the rooftop. You're free. He's in the rooftop. Why he's? She's in the rooftop. You're free. She's in the rooftop.
Except I'm being chased by this bot that has no emotions.
This is my backup phone.
I'm only 20%. This blue card is used. Oh no, crash back. Ah, I found it. The key to the safe. It's in the office.
Yeah, I know.
Something's inside that box. No! You won't understand. You won't understand my shit. What are you talking about? This card is used. It's not. Look. See?
But you can go there. In
It's
the other
not.
Side. The grass.
Yes.
The grass.
Yes. How can I grab it? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Go.
Pedro. No.
Bro.
I'm just gonna.
You're kind of scaredy cat. You're nearby the...
I don't have a
door.
choice, bro. I'm stuck in the stairs already.
What? What do you mean about that? You're literally not stuck.
I'm gonna play
You're
with
just
the.
scared.
Okay, whatever. I have seconds left anyway. That won't
The
matter.
bot is not after you
It's
anymore.
all pointless in the end. I can't even escape this.
Go, my
Sure,
sister's not...
sure.
My sister's in the office.
Sure, I'll eventually get to Zoe Zebra, but
Go outside, my sister's not just in the office.
get him, bro. Get him. Bruh,
Sundan mo siya.
help me, bro. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead, bro.
Wait!
Bro, she's running. She's now a scaredy cat.
Bro, he's behind you. Look.
She's getting scared. She's getting scared. No.
Go! Yung laman ng safe, yung carrot para kay Pedro the Horse.
Wala na. Tapos na yung game.